Welcome back. Today we're talking about Niyvirezi, or the lion goddess of Rwanda. This is an exceptional, powerful goddess who is known for contributing much to the landscape of their mythology. She appears as a hybrid lion-headed woman, combining the majestic traits of a lioness with the grace of a regal divine leader. Her lioness head features golden fur, deep amber eyes filled with wisdom and strength, and tribal markings that glow faintly with divine energy. Her powerful body is adorned with flowing garments decorated with intricate Rwandan tribal patterns, gold jewelry, and ceremonial beads. She carries a staff topped with the symbol of a lion's paw, a glowing representation of her protective role. Now, this is a massively powerful deity who in mythology is said to have unyielding strength, said to have the strength of 1,000 lions. She has the ability to amplify her physical power to overpower almost any foe. She's also known for effective leadership, helping her leaders or her devotees make wise and balanced decisions. And her influence inspires loyalty and unity among her disciples. Now, she also possesses a form of divine spiritual energy, and she is a spiritual guardian. She bridges the physical and spiritual realms, guiding and protecting the souls of her people. She is a soul protector, so she shields the souls of her followers from spiritual harm, banishing dark entities and guiding spirits safely to the afterlife. Through her presence and rituals, she infuses her followers with courage, hope, and clarity. She also has an animal connection. Especially the lions are drawn to her as extensions of her will, serving as her messengers and protectors of that same nature. Now, she wills a form of raw power energy or vibrational force energy. She can emit sonic sound waves to destabilize enemies or repel attacks, creating an almost impenetrable defense barrier. She has a mastery of sound waves according with ecosystem, ensuring balance in nature and calming discord. Her symbol is the lion's paw, often depicted as glowing gold or etched in some sacred stones. It represents strength, protection, and balance. She is said to be a very regal and compassionate deity who leads with an air of fearlessness. She embodies the quality of a protector and a nurturer, balancing her fierce strength with deep wisdom and empathy. She rewards bravery, loyalty, and moral clarity while punishing cowardice, treachery, and those who disrupt balance. She's also venerated in specific rituals, including ceremonial roars, which are rituals which involve collective roaring to mimic her vibrational energy, believed to summon her presence and her blessings. In terms of offerings, she is given milk, honey, and meat that are left at her sacred shrines to invoke her protection and favor. Dances of the lioness, meaning ritual dances that mimic the movements of a lioness, celebrating her strength and fostering unity with nature. And during times of mourning, priests invoke her name as a spiritual protector to guide the departed safely to the afterlife. She is known in many legends. When invaders threatened her people, she appeared as the glowing lion-headed warrior. She created barriers that protected the valley and used her vibrational roar to heal and empower the warriors, driving away the invaders after being renewed by her. She is also seen as the mantle of leadership, and a young king seeking her blessings is often tested through trials of strength, wisdom, and loyalty. Upon passing, she imbues him with a true mantle of power, granting him the stability to lead with justice and courage. And during a devastating drought, it is said that she unleashed a powerful healing roar, which restored life to the barren lands, reviving rivers, crops, and spirits alike. And this legend symbolizes her connection to nature and life's cyclical renewal. In modern interpretation, Niyvirezi is a symbol of leadership, harmony, and resilience. Her image inspires themes of unity with nature, the importance of the balance in leadership, and the power of strength tempered by compassion. If you have more that you would like to add to this piece, please do so in the comment section. And as always, I ask that you hit that like and subscribe.